bride-to-be looking for realistic flowers for your wedding that won't break the bank, then you are in the right place. I'm going to show you how to add beautiful silk flowers to your wedding decor with the help of Something Borrowed blooms. By the end of this video, you're going to see if this is something you want to consider for your wedding. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. When it comes to wedding planning, there are so many details to consider, but one of the most important aspects is the flowers. They set the tone, create the atmosphere, and make your special day truly unforgettable. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to Something Borrowed Blooms, which is a wedding flower retail service that offers beautiful, high-quality floral arrangements that look like they came straight out of a flower shop, but with none of the stress or cost. So this is not a sponsored video. However, I did work with them back in 2022 for my wedding and thought I would do a video review on my experience with them because it was so helpful for my wedding. Scroll through the collection. First things first, let's talk about how easy it is to find the perfect flowers for your big day. Something Borrowed Blooms has a collection for every bride, no matter your style. Trust me, you'll find exactly what you're looking for, whether you're going for classic elegance, boho chic, or a modern vibe. There's something to match your wedding vision, and the best part, they're constantly adding new collections, so you'll always find something fresh and exciting. And don't be afraid to mix and match, so you can easily create your own style by combining pieces from different collections. The possibilities are endless. Order a preview pack. That's something that I quite enjoyed about this part. Okay, so now that you've found your perfect collection or collections, it's time to see it in person. Something Borrowed Blooms lets you preview 2 items from a collection, which is such a game changer. You get the real feel of the flowers and see if the style, color, and quality meets your expectations. It's so important to see them in person, especially when it comes to your wedding decor. Here's how it works. Create an account on their website. Choose 2 bridesmaids bouquets, 2 centerpieces, or 1 of each from your select collection. Select your delivery date. Make sure it's 2 to 3 days before your event date to avoid any shipping delays. Then enjoy the flowers for 4 days. Then simply return them through FedEx using their prepaid label. Don't forget to remove the paper inside the label. It's very important. And get this, you'll also get $20 in rewards to use on your future orders over $65. So that's pretty much a win. This is a little no for Canadian brides, so you can skip this if you're not a Canadian bride. But here's it. If you're tuning in from Canada, note that Something Borrowed Blooms doesn't send previews to Canada, but don't worry, they do offer free virtual styling sessions with one of their amazing florists. You'll get to see all the collections and find which perfect flowers work for you and your wedding, all from the comfort of your home. I know it's not the same, but at least you have that option. Now here's a look at my own preview pack for my wedding. I went with the Ren collection, which was formerly called Rutu collection, I believe, because it perfectly matches my When City Meets Island theme that I was going for. I absolutely love this collection the moment that I saw it, and when my flowers arrived, I was blown away. The quality is just incredible. These flowers look stunning, and they even have a light, fresh scent to them. So it was actually a little hard to part with them, but the good news is I was able to visit my venue and use the centerpieces samples as a mock-up setup. It was such a wow moment, and it really helped me visualize how it would all come together on the big day. Order your wedding flowers. So if you love the preview pack, then that's amazing. Now it's time to book your wedding flowers. My best tip is to place your order about 4 to 6 months before your wedding to make sure everything is secure and ready to go. Here's how this works. Choose your flowers from your favorite collection. Pay a 50% deposit to reserve your order. The remaining balance will be charged when your flowers are shipped. Your flowers will arrive 3 days before your big day, perfectly packaged and ready to make your wedding day stress-free. After the wedding, simply return the flowers in the boxes that they came in using the prepaid return label. Just a quick note, all the items are for rent except for cake clusters, loose stems, and bridal bouquet, which are available to purchase, side note. And if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind bridal bouquet, it's $200 made with brand new, never used flowers. If you're interested, that's available too. Okay, let's talk about my wedding flowers. For my wedding day, I used 2 Wren Grands and 2 Wren large centerpieces for my altar area. For my reception tables, I used 11 small of the Wren centerpieces, and it was amazing to see how they brought the whole look and feel for my wedding together. The next day, we packaged up the flowers back into the boxes and sent them back. Super easy. If you want to look at more of my wedding and how all that went, check out my video in the link below. Right there. Yeah. I hope this video has helped you see just how easy and affordable it can be to have stunning silk flowers at your wedding in comparison to traditional wedding flowers. With Something Borrowed Blooms, you get the best of both worlds. Gorgeous, realistic flowers without the stress or cost of buying fresh flowers and then trying to figure out what you're supposed to do after that. Plus, it's all so easy to do. From the preview packs to final order, it's all about making your wedding day as smooth as possible. So tell me in the comments what you think about the flowers. Would you do this for your wedding? I'd love to know what you're thinking about for your wedding decor if you are a bride-to-be. And if you're not, what did you use for your flowers? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wedding tips and do-it-yourself. See you in the next video. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching. And get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.